Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to use the Steam Family feature. So the Steam Family feature allows you to share Steam libraries in your family on the same computer. So I'm going to show you how you're going to do that. So the first thing you have to do is open up Steam. And once you've opened up Steam, what you need to do is go to the top left corner and see an option that says Friends. Click on Friends and you'll see a list of options. Click on the option that says Add a Friend. So once in the add a friend window, what you need to do is add a friend either using a friend code, a link, or by searching for username. I've already done this. So after you add a friend, the next thing you have to do is click on the button on the top right corner, which is your account. After clicking on it, you'll see a list of options. Select the option that says account details. Now in the account window on the left side, you'll see an option that says family management. Click on that. Now in the family management page, you can create or join a family. I've already created a family. It will usually ask you to write a username for your family. So I've written a username called my family. And you can invite a member by clicking on the invite a member button. So you can invite people from your friend list. So click on the button that says search friend list. And here is an account that I want to invite. To invite them, just click on the account. And you will have an option to either invite as an adult or invite as a child. You can choose the option that you prefer. I'm going to invite as an adult. And then a pop-up will appear. Click on the invite button. So as you can see, you've invited another Steam account, and now you wait for them to accept. So from their account perspective, what they'll find is on the notification button on the top right, they will receive a notification. And it says an account has sent them a family invite. So they should click on that. And they have the option to either accept or decline. So I'm going to accept here. And a pop-up will appear asking to confirm. Click on confirm. So a confirmation code will be sent to an email. So you need to input that code. After inputting the confirmation code, click on confirm. So now, since they have accepted your invite, you can share your library and also see their playtime and history. Especially for child accounts, you have much more control. Additionally, an important point that I have to say is that in order to have the Steam Family feature to be open, you need to have spent more than $5 on your account. So this is how you use Steam Family. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.